Hello, everybody out there. My name's Megan. You can find me on AskAnnalisa.com as a life coach. What is a life coach? Well, we're all individuals and artists at our own right. So let me just get you a sample of what type of life coach I am. Do you want to have better focus? Do you want to, no matter what sounds and stimulations are going on around you, you can feel great within your body without a fight or flight feeling with your hormones, because you can control your thoughts just by being presently relaxed in the moment, letting your senses stimulate you into just being here, or even focusing into the breath. If you'd like to stay with me, I'd like to give you a chance to see how well you can focus by just one moment of your time. Get in a relaxed place, sit down, stand up, relax your joints, bring your hands here. Make a big belly like Santa Claus and have a sense of humor, and hold and press into your hips, into your pelvis, and focus down your legs and feet. You do not have to touch, but it's just for you to see what I'm doing. Inhale again. And exhale. Down your legs and feet. Get out of your busy mind. And enjoy who you are in your body. How do you feel? Are things bothering you less? Are you appreciating the sounds around you and the colors and the smells? Or not letting them bother you so much? If you can do that, imagine what other things you can do. Like resolving relationship issues with better conflict resolution, to even a relationship you have with your body. Be able to look in the mirror or get on a video right now and like what you see without judgment or caring about what anybody else says. The best compliment you could ever know is the one that you give yourself. Your perception. It's kind of like be the person you want to come home to by coming home to yourself first. And making this body your home and loving it. I'm going to end this with just peace and quiet. No matter what I hear and see, I will be inspired to see the best in it or to move to a better situation. But know the difference. Be led by inspiration instead of motivation from fear and anger so much. But also appreciate those moments too without chronically staying there where it affects your body. And I will teach you how there's a relationship between that. If interested, please go on AskAnnalisa.com. Have a wonderful day. Just take a moment and end this like this. Breathe. And do it for the rest of your life. More presently relaxed and enjoying your body. Who you are, where you are, and every situation that comes into your life. Let it know where you are and what you can handle.